The Delhi Lieutenant Governor's order for mandatory 5-day institutional quarantine for COVID patients has upset the Aam Aadmi Party government, which has been grappling with a shortage of hospital beds amid a spike in COVID-19 cases. Sources say Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal this afternoon opposed Baijal's order at a meeting, asking why there should be different rules for Delhi when asymptomatic patients are undergoing home quarantine in the rest of the country. A drone carrying weapons near Kathua in Jammu and Kashmir was shot down by the border security forces. An American-origin M4 rifle, 2 magazines and ammunition have been recovered after shooting down the drone. The police say it was another attempt by Pakistani forces to drop weapons for terrorists in the Union territory. Addressing the media on the Galwan clashes, former Union Minister P. Chidambaram said that what was the issues that the local commanders were talking with their counterparts if no Chinese troops were inside the Indian territory? Where did the clashes take place and where were the soldiers killed? If no Chinese soldiers were inside our territory, then why were 20 soldiers sacrificed? The Congress Party President Sonia Gandhi had also raised similar questions at an all-party meeting with the Prime Minister yesterday. China on Friday said that the Galwan Valley was located on the Chinese side of the line of actual control. The Chinese statement came on a day when world powers like the United States, the United Kingdom, Japan and India's neighbor, the Maldives, condoled the deaths of Indian soldiers in the Galwan Valley conflict. The territory has in fact never appeared on Chinese maps since 1962. Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadoria today said that the country will always strive towards maintaining peace and the sacrifice at Galwan Valley will not go in vain. The Indian Air Force Chief was speaking at the combined graduation parade at the Air Force Academy near Hyderabad. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyan today. The package is aimed at boosting livelihood opportunities in rural India. The Rs 50,000 crore campaign specifically aims to help migrant workers. The Mumbai police, which is investigating the death of Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, has sent a letter to Yash Raj Films seeking details of the contracts it had signed with the actor. It's also being reported that actor Riya Chakraborty, a close friend of Sushant, who recorded her statement with the police on Thursday, told investigators that he had ended his contract with Yash Raj Films and also asked her to stop working with the banner. The World Health Organization has warned of a new and dangerous phase of the coronavirus pandemic. The warning came as it emerged that the virus was present in Italy in December, months before its first confirmed cases, about the same time as the disease was first reported in China. Also, the warning comes as people across the world are tiring of lockdowns and are flouting stay-at-home advisories, while even governments are opening up economic activities. Many places that had reported a drop in the cases are now seeing a second wave.